that off. Oh wow, we got lots of bees on the side over here. Here, get your camera in there. Look how that sun's hitting. That should be really good shots. Uh-oh. Hive beetles. Did they?
Oh, they're building things.
Oh, no, I'm not messing with that.
Oh, that's a lie.
Oh, nice.
And that's not a no.
Ooh, nice. Got some larvae. Look at all of them looking at me. Look at that. You see them? They're all looking up. Hey. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah, that is all capped brood. Those are all, but none of this was capped last week. No, that's all babies. Honey's on the side up here. Around here where the, yeah, that honey's for the babies. I'm not touching these two because these, excuse me. Oh, God, dang it. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and push them all here, and then we'll check that honey frame and we'll get out of here because they are working good and I don't want to mess with them. Oh yeah, capped honey.
That wasn't capped up yet.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at the others.
All right, ladies, get inside. Top's going on.